Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker timing out and not responding. Quick solution guide. Fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Disconnect the power cable from the back of your Google Home or Google Nest speaker. Then leave the device unplugged for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for about 1 minute for it to fully reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Then test the speaker by saying, "Hey Google." Fix 2. Check the microphone and speaker placement. Verify that the physical microphone switch is turned on. And if you see orange lights, the microphone is muted. Turn the switch back on. Place the speaker 1 to 2 meters or 3 to 6 feet away from TVs, soundbars, microwaves, or other noisy appliances that may interfere with voice recognition. Fix 3. Check your network and Google Home app. Make sure other devices on your Wi-Fi network have internet access. Then update the Google Home app to the latest version and ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the speaker. If your internet seems unstable, unplug your router for 60 seconds, then reconnect it before testing the speaker again. Fix 4. Remove and set up the speaker again. Open the Google Home app and select your speaker and then tap on Settings, which is the gear icon. Now tap Remove Device and confirm. Then return to the home screen and tap the Add Plus button and choose Setup Device and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the speaker to your Google account and Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.